Here you go. You can barely see. Dingle dangle. Good morning, mate. Marcus Schneider here today we're doing shenanigans. That's a good way to put it. That's shenanigans.
Reckless, more than I've been free. Defenseless, with your eyes on me. It's like I'm caught inside your endless sea, falling fast into the deep. Surrender, won't be sound asleep. Yeah.
So now that there's more light out, I can actually explain what we're doing. We're driving 3 hours this morning, picking up a 1968 or 7 1-ton and taking it home. So we're bringing you on the journey in the old Dodge Cummins. Let's go get a truck. This is not optimal weather! We got the truck. I'm not going to show you yet because the guy is a little sketched out and doesn't want us in his yard, which is respectable. Doesn't like people growing around his yard because he's got a lot of cars there. I'm not telling you the location.
This is New Mexico.
And this ain't no Mexico. Even though we're with the Mexican, it ain't no Mexico. But as you can see, she's there. If they want to use that motor, I'm gonna have to completely rebuild it.
Or trade me.
Or trade you. For what?
My 350 small block.
Maybe. Maybe. But it's got, I think, a 283 V8 in it, manual transmission. Transmissions! It glides like gold into the gears, so that's a good. The frame is really good, and that's the main reason I'm buying this truck. Because the frame's going on my other truck. So, would it be a plus if I got a running motor with it? Yeah, but that definitely did not happen. Now that we're stopped, I can actually show you the truck. We just took off the sides of the dump bed because as going down the highway, they're starting to flap, and I noticed they're rotten as hell. So they're just wood, so we just took them off. We strapped them down because I'm not thinking to leave them here, but they're old. There's the truck. The Mexican.
I've never known a life like this. A stranger's kiss, the sweet attraction. I've never known a love like this. Forbidden bliss, consumed in action. I've never known a life like this. A stranger's kiss, the sweet attraction. I've never known a love like this. Forbidden bliss, I'm yours. Be home.
So now we're in nicer weather. We're looking in the truck. There's just a fucking container of vinegar. Because he's saying, go, oh, it's water. I'll pour it on the hub because the hub's a little hot. We pour it. It's just pure freaking vinegar. Why is there vinegar? There's just vinegar in this old truck. There's a couple of old bottles and stuff. So obviously this truck was always being maintained. Oil stabilizer, that makes sense. Someone used like the side pockets as a toolbox. There's a spare rad cap in here. There's spare hoses here. So yeah, somebody used this. These battery terminals are shot. These are shot. These battery terminals, but that makes sense. Like overall, she's holding oil. There's no fuel. There's no sparkulators. But they're all dumping oil out, so I actually don't think they're bad. Yeah. I have no idea. That oil filter down there, if you can see that, if I show it on camera, I might not be able to. That's actually not an old oil filter. It's pretty damn new. I bet you there might be a mouse nest here. I know, it's not. It's the thing come with. It's like my truck. Let's take it. Throttle seized open. That's not always good. This all moves, but
This choke.
choke. It needs to be moved a bit.
It's the cable, not this.
It's the cable.
Yep.
It's a bit dusty, but that's actually not bad. Brake lines are not bad. That is no, that's an aftermarket. This is new. That's not original. Because normally it doesn't have this. Normally this just bolts straight onto the firewall.
Yep. It's an aftermarket brake booster.
This truck's been fiddled with. Well, you don't want to try and screw it back on?
Fuck it.
I might have to play with this for a bit later on when we get home.
We'll go grab a drink.
Yeah. I need to look at this more.
It's a convoy, fucking convoy.
So, of course, catastrophic failure. We blew a tire. And how did we get this tire up? Not by phoning my roadside assistance, which refused to help because apparently a trailer is extra coverage, even though I pay for their top tier vehicle payment. No, we had to use...
Engineered by your Mexican friend here.
The Mexican came through with an idea. It fucking worked. Redneck modification.
No, now we're going to Redneck Engineering.
Yeah, redneck engineering. You know, just side of the highway, phone the people I'm paying every fucking year for roadside assistance. We're not gonna help you, because it's a trailer. Even though it'd be no different than jacking up my truck. But, okay, sure. Oh, I did, I got it all on video. The Mexican putting in a hard one.
Fucking changing a tire in the middle of the goddamn highway.
Right?
Torquing it down with a fucking breaker bar and fucking a block of wood.